Good morning guys, at nandito ako ngayon sa River Lane Trail dito sa mid-class project ng Antel Grand Village. Itong River Lane Trail, no? This is our mid-class project, and congratulations po na mayroon po tayong nag-reserve nitong Amara model. So alam nyo ba, this second quarter may discount po na 50,000 pesos sa reservation. So down payment then less the reservation, yun po yung magiging discount nyo. And then halimbawa po ang down payment nyo po is 1.7, so less 50,000. Then magre-reserve lang po kayo ng 50,000 sa reservation. At least may discount kayo ng 50,000. No? So this one is Amara model, then Riley model, then Layla model. So ito po, meron tayong available nito na 19 units. Itong Riley po, meron tayong available na 7 unit. Layla model, meron tayong 6 na unit available. So the area is 191 units lang po ito. At along the road, and ongoing po ang construction ngayon guys. So ito pong property nito is available sa bank financing, pag-ibig, and deferred payment. So napakadali lang po mag-reserve. 50,000 reservation, 50,000 reservation, and 30,000 reservation. So thank you so much po, and see you po dito sa River Lane Trail. Congratulations po sa ating seller na si Ma'am Minette Gave. Alright, so wag lang po i-kompleto yung kanyang full name kasi alam niyo na. Okay, so thank you so much po, and God bless po sa ating lahat.